Why there is no single pointed focus in my mind? Because our goals are mostly from the outside. People will tell you, if you become a doctor, you will be happy. You become an engineer, you will be happy. Subconscious mind helps the conscious mind to have focus. Where your mind is fully focused, there your will is. Where your will is fully focused, there your action is. Mind, will, and action. You see, where your mind is fully focused, there your will is. Where your will is fully focused, there your action is. Example, at a normal circumstance, you don't have the strong will to protect yourself, save yourself, or the strength. You might be feeling weak, drowsy, lazy, and you suddenly found a snake just beside you. Automatically, your mind will be fully focused on the snake, and there the will automatically springs to life. Run, protect yourself, or if you are courageous, handle the snake. Yes or no? The will is triggered by the full focus of the mind. If you are aware of something snake-like in the darkness, your mind is now questioning if it is a rope or a snake, a rope or a snake, or a rope or a snake. You will still keep watching. You will still keep waiting for it. The will, the intense, will not happen within you to run. The moment your mind is confirmed, where your mind is fully focused, yes, it is a snake. Even if it is not a snake, you will run. Where the mind is fully focused, the will is activated. Where the will is fully focused, action is inevitable. So the question is how to make the mind absolutely focused on the object of choice. If you are wanting to become abundant, you want to become rich, you want to become happy, you want to become comfortable, then if you see, there is a lot of waveringness between our perceived reality, the physical reality and the mental reality. I want to become a doctor. I want to study. But then the movie comes and then I'm distracted from my education. Cell phone, video games, any distraction in life. Because I'm not fully focused on or single pointed focus on my goal. There is no will. Why there is no single pointed focus in my mind? Because our goals are mostly from the outside. People will tell you, if you become a doctor, or you will understand somehow, if you become a doctor, you will be happy. You become an engineer, you will be happy. You achieve your goal and you will be happy. Happiness is the actual goal, but we confuse ourselves with the goal of becoming an engineer or goal of becoming a doctor. I want to be happy. Then I convince my mind, if I become a doctor, I will be happy. Subconscious mind understands this person's main goal is happiness, not becoming a doctor. Now he feels if he becomes a doctor, he will be happy. So his main goal is happiness. Noted. Now there is a movie that is coming in or a cricket match that's coming in. Subconscious mind allows the mind to waver because happiness is what he was wanting. Cricket match, instant happiness. Let it have. Are you able to understand? So why am I distracted with cricket match, movies or other distraction in life when I want to study, when I want to focus, when I want to put a will and when I want to act on that? you're giving a mixed message to your subconscious, and your subconscious is not cooperating with your conscious mind. You tell, becoming a doctor, and becoming as a doctor is my happiness. Doctor is the goal. Doctor is my goal. I'm focused on that. Subconscious mind will understand nothing is happiness for this person, only becoming a doctor is happiness for him. So becoming a doctor is the true goal. Then the subconscious mind helps the conscious mind to have focus and fixation on becoming an education, medical education. Example, I want you to correlate with. You want to become rich because I want to travel in a big car. And why do I want to travel in a big car? Because it is fun and happy. This person wants fun and happiness in his life. Subconscious mind understands this. Now, when the person wants to go into business, does something, he will be distracted, he will be presented with opportunities of fun and happiness, and he will be distracted. And then he will say, why I am not able to focus? Because your subconscious mind is having the mixing. So, when you have clarity and absolute understanding on what your true goal is, why, when the why is clear, and when the target is not an attachee to your true thing, when your target is your target, you will have mind focused on it. Automatically will follow it. Automatically action will follow.